The last part of the lesson, that is the Quit India movement. The failure of the Cripps mission and effects of the Second World War and created the widespread discontent. Means Indians we become maximum dissatisfied from the actions of British people. This led Gandhiji to launch a movement calling for a complete withdrawal of the British from India. Please underline that one. First one, the failure of Cripps mission, want to underline. Then effects of the Second World War, Second World War, and that's why what happened, Indians becomes dissatisfied. Then Gandhiji is launching next movement, that is the complete withdrawal of British from India. Please underline that. The Congress Working Committee is its meeting in Wardha on 14th July 1942. Please underline that one. The Working Committee meeting of Congress, that is passed a historic resolution, that is the Quit India resolution, and demanding demanding immediate transfer of power to Indians and quit India. 1942, Gandhiji and the Congress leaders, they are said to the made a slogan or a resolution, that is Quit India, and who want to go away? British want to go away, and we want to get the power in our hand as early as possible. On 4th August 1942, in the same year, after 1 month, in Bombay, All Indian Congress Committee endorsed the resolution with called the non-violent mass struggle on the widest possible scale throughout the country, means everywhere, because for the Quit India movement, all the in Bombay they are taking the resolution for that, the non-violent mass struggle in everywhere in the country. Please underline that date and place. And it was on this occasion Gandhiji delivered the famous words like that do or die speech. Please underline that one. And the call for Quit India almost brought the state machinery to a standstill in a large part of the country, as peoples voluntarily threw themselves into the thick movement. Means the Gandhiji said do or die. We want to do something or we are ready to die, like that. The people Gandhiji given the slogan to the people, and maximum people they came to the street or they started to work together. And people observed hartals and demonstrations and processions were accompanied by national songs and slogans. What were the symbols, songs, slogans we are having? Everything taken by people, and they observe hartal, demonstration and processions. And the movement was truly a mass movement which brought into its ambit thousands of ordinary people, namely students, workers and peasants. Means the ordinary people of the society, they are coming, not only the leaders, more than that, the ordinary people, they are receiving the spirit and they are coming out. And it also saw the active participation of leaders, namely Jayaprakash Narayan, Arun Asaf Ali and Ram Manohar Lohia, like that many leaders, and especially the ladies also coming, like that Mandagini Hasra in Bengal, then Kanakalada Baura in Assam, and Rama Devi in Orissa, like that ladies leaders also coming up. And British responded with much force. Instead of they are agreeing with that one, what they are taking, they are using the force for what? To the suppress the movement. Again they are trying to suppress. Again we are getting the freedom in 1947. And before that one page we left one of the picture, that is about Jawaharlal Nehru. That is a popular print. Nehru is shown holding the image of Bharat Mata and the map of India close to its heart. We can see in the picture that one picture is there in his hand. It is keeping near to his heart, and in that we can see the map of India, that is old India, means Pakistan, Bangladesh, India together, that India, plus in middle it is standing Bharat Mata. And it in a lot of popular print, nationalist leaders were shown offering their heads to Bharat Mata, and the idea of sacrifice for the mother was powerful within the popular imagination. Not only Nehru, many leaders they used to symbolize themselves like this. So by this we are completing the lesson. and I will send the CBSE means the textbook question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.